Mom, can I drive the car? Yeah, sweetie. Go ahead. Okay, if you say so. I failed, Mom. It's okay, sweetie. You can drive me next time. Oh, really? Yes. Yep, I'm not kidding. Mommy, I want this. No, we're only here for school supplies. This is school perfect. Dear Diary, I want something cool, so cool for my birthday. And it has to be cool and can't be like you, Santa, who is nasty. Love, mutant, frilly, scurvy. Shoo, I'm flying through the sky. Shoo, I'm flying through the sky. Ooh. What's this? Test? I think so. Because if it is, it should be that. Clink. There's chocolate inside. Yum, 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 yum. Ah! That thing punched me in the Excuse me, why are you in my husband's car? Nothing to do with you, madam. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Yeah!